Welcome to the University of Leicester. We're the home to DNA fingerprinting, the discovery of King Richard III, and on Saturday the 9th of November, the 7th Inspire National Medical Research Conference. This year's theme will take you one step closer to the future with medical technology of tomorrow. We're proud to be hosting some of the country's top researchers who are pioneering advances in medical technology. Expect to be placed in the driving seat in our interactive workshops that promise to bring you closer than ever to medical innovation. And this year, we're letting you make your own mark. Present your research in a format that suits you and make lasting academic connections with like-minded people. This year's Inspire National Medical Research Conference promises to be the best it has ever been. Register today.